Hello, hello. So I am super excited. I hope all of you have dove into your new spring lookbook that you received in the mail over the weekend. If you haven't, go check your mailbox. There are samples and all the information on new products. I am so excited to share with you one of our new skin boosters. This is part of our Clinical Solutions skincare line. This specific one is called HA, which stands for Hyaluronic Acid Ceramide, which is great for skin hydration and supporting your skin's barrier. What does that mean? That means it is here to help you have plumper, more hydrated, less irritated skin. Let me show you how easy it is to use and why I love it. You might be wondering, what is a skincare booster? A skincare booster is a concentrated, potent serum that is targeted for specific skincare concerns and needs. They are designed to supercharge and personalize your current skincare needs. So let me show you how you can elevate your skincare with the new HA Cermide Skin Booster. And you just drop a couple drops on your skin. Oopsie. Or you can go ahead and drop it on your fingers and massage it into your. There are two new skin boosters in our line. Today I'm just discussing the HA Cermide, which stands for hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a really great ingredient to help hydrate your skin. All you do is you take the little drop skin. It's very lightweight. It dissolves into your skin almost immediately. And what I love about the HA Cermide is it helps support your skin barrier. I have rosacea, and so this specific skin booster helps my skin heal from the inside out to help the skin condition not be as big of an issue. You might be asking, what is hyaluronic acid and what is it good for? HA is known for hydrating. It's a powerhouse humectant that's known to help bind 1,000 times its weight in water. This specific formula is dual acting with 2 different hyaluronic acids in the product itself. The next powerhouse ingredient is called ceramide. Ceramide is essential for the retention of skin moisture. The next powerhouse ingredient is called Verbena officinalis extract. This powerhouse ingredient is known to help support the skin's barrier while it's improving the skin's hydration, and it's a plant-based ingredient. I'm going to apply my advanced lifting serum and my moisturizer, and I'm finished. Customized skincare routine. It's easy to use. I direct you how to use it, and you continue using your cleanser and your serums and everything else you're doing. It's an additional step into your routine. So now that I've applied my HA serum, so when it comes to customizing your skincare routine, let me ask you this. Would you like plumper, more hydrated skin? If so, direct message me. This might be the next best step to incorporate into your plumper, smoother, definitely more hydrated. And a tip for all of you oily skin girls, this will help your skin look and feel less oily. It is used morning and night. So are you excited to try the new HA Cermide Skin Booster? I have seen a big change in my skin for the past 6 weeks since I've been using this product. I've seen my skin, and I can't wait for you to experience it too.